Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by building a clean recipient spreadsheet and linking each row to an attachment. Open Excel and include email, first name, last name, and attachment path columns. This directs the merge. Once done, place all attachment files in one folder and use predictable names so scripts or add-ins can find them. Next, make sure your sending account allows SMTP or API access. Otherwise, you can't deliver attachments. This step avoids common lookup errors and prevents failed sends later. So be precise now. Now configure the mail merge tool you chose, Word with an add-in, a Gmail app script, or third-party software. Connect the tool to your Excel spreadsheet so fields map correctly: first name, last name, and especially attachment path. Design the email body in the editor and insert merge fields where personalization belongs. Then map the attachment path column to the attachment parameter so each recipient gets the right file. Once done, run a preview for 5 test rows to confirm both content and attachment links. You finish by sending a small batch to verify delivery and attachment integrity. Start with 5 to 10 recipients. Check that messages arrive, attachments open, and no content is missing. If recipients bounce or files are blocked, inspect SMTP logs for size limits, forbidden file types, or permission errors. Make sure attachment path values point to readable files on the sender system. If things go wrong, retry only the failed rows after correcting paths or using compressed PDFs. This saves time and avoids duplicate sends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.